Bitcoin rallied sharply to reclaim the $93,000 level on December 2-3, rebounding 11% from a brutal sell-off that sent the cryptocurrency plunging to lows below $84,000 just days earlier. The surge came as the Federal Reserve formally ended quantitative tightening and injected $38 billion in liquidity into financial markets, triggering a wave of short liquidations that amplified the rally. The New York Fed conducted approximately $25 billion in morning repo operations and another $13.5 billion overnight on December 1st, marking the largest such liquidity injection since 2020. According to CryptoSlate, this direct liquidity provision reduced borrowing costs and expanded the dollar supply, typically supporting high beta assets like Bitcoin. The timing coincided with the Fed's formal conclusion of its balance sheet reduction program, which had withdrawn approximately $2.4 trillion from the financial system since June 2022. The liquidity-driven rebound triggered a derivatives bloodbath that crushed bearish traders. Over $243 million in Bitcoin positions were liquidated in 24 hours, with short sellers absorbing the majority of losses at approximately $226 million, compared to just $16 million in long positions wiped out. According to CoinGlass data, Bitcoin short positions alone accounted for $221 million in liquidations. The imbalance created one of the strongest short squeezes Bitcoin has seen in weeks, as over-leveraged bears were forced to buy back positions at higher levels. Technically, Bitcoin showed signs of momentum shifting, with the RSI climbing from oversold conditions and the MACD curling upward with a positive histogram flip. The rally coincided with a reversal by Vanguard, the world's second largest asset manager with approximately $9 to $10 trillion in assets under management. Starting December 2, the firm opened its brokerage platform to third-party Bitcoin ETFs and mutual funds for the first time, creating immediate demand pressure. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas noted a Vanguard effect as Bitcoin rose 6% around the U.S. market open. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, iTip, saw $1 billion in volume in the first 30 minutes of trading and recorded $3.7 billion in total daily volume on December 2, surpassing Vanguard's flagship S&P 500 ETF, VOO. Rate cut probabilities shifted back in Bitcoin's favor after weak U.S. manufacturing data reinforced a case for an economic slowdown. The ISM manufacturing PMI printed at 48.2, marking a ninth consecutive month of contraction and pushing CME FedWatch odds for a 25 basis point cut at the December 10th FOMC meeting into the high 80% range. Despite the rebound, Bitcoin remains